Hello friends, I know you don't like dark circles or eye bags under your eyes. Under eye bags cast shadows that make you look exhausted no matter how well rested you are. Dark circles under the lower eyelids are common in men and women, but women does not like dark circles than the men. So in this tutorial, you will watch how can you fix your eye bags from your portrait picture in natural way. Let's watch. First, I am opening an image to Photoshop. I downloaded many images in my computer, selecting which one is the best. I like this one and selected, and it is opening in the Photoshop workspace. Zoom in the image so I can work on the eyes. Before working on the eyes, you need to remove blemishes and spots if any. So create a new background layer by using Ctrl plus J in Windows and Command plus J in Mac. Why we create a duplicate layer? It is because we always have an original copy if any mistake we do. So create a new blank layer to remove spots. In this image, skin is almost clear. Not too much spots or blemishes here. So I am using here spot healing tools. In left of a tool panels and mode is a normal, type is a content aware and check on all sample layers. If we don't check all sample layers, it will not work on new layer. So keep in this mind, if you work on the new blank layer, it should be checked. The spot healing brush and the healing brush both allows to users to replace unwanted items. Simply brush over the spots you want to erase on the portrait using the spot healing brush tool. If you want to know more about healing tools and remove blemishes, watch my previous tutorial. Card is inserted above and also link inserted in the description. I have already mentioned this image has very less spots, so I am removing only few ones. Here is here on the face, so I decreasing the size of brush with the left bracket key approx 90 pixels and drag the brush on the start and hold shift key to end, then drag the brush on the end of the hair and hair is removed in the straight line. It is a great feature of a Photoshop, removing few spots more on the neck and the other area. I am removing now, it takes little time. Now after that time comes to remove the dark circles and eye bags under the eyes. But before removing, I suggest you to soften the skin first. So I am again going with the texture slider. So go to the filter menu, then go to the convert smart object. When we convert a layer into smart object, any changes we make are applied. This keeps our changes both editable and non-destructive. And when we apply one of the Photoshop filter to smart object layer, the filter automatically becomes an editable, non-destructive smart filter. Now I am going again to the filter menu and applying a camera raw filter. Zoom in the face to see the face texture. Moving the slider to the negative value, I am happy with the -73. Then click OK. I feel that skin need more smoothness, but we have already applied the filter. So I need to do it again? No, because our layer was converted to the smart object. So this filter can be editable without removing the layer. I am clicking on the camera raw on the selected layer. The camera raw filter pop up again. Now I am changing the value of texture slider to -73 to -85. Then click OK. You can see the all image was smoothened, but we want only skin to smooth, not eyes, lips, hair and other things. When we applied camera raw filter or any filter to smart object, the filter automatically becomes an editable, non-destructive smart filter. So we can soften the skin that we want to soft. Here is a showing 3 panels. Because of that my layer panel is showing small. So I am going to window menu and unselect the learn panel. Now my layer panel is size increased. Now I am changing white mask to the black by using Ctrl plus I in Windows and Command plus I in Mac. Black mask means 100% transparent, or in the other words, conceal all of the current layer. Make sure your foreground color should be opposite to the mask color. Use D key to active black and white background or foreground. Toggle with X key to change black foreground to white foreground. Select the simple brush with the blend mode normal, opacity 100%, flow 100%, and painting over the area that we want to smooth. Don't paint on the face expressions, lips, eyes, and eyebrows. Painting over the neck, it looks natural, so don't paint on the dark circles. Now take another snapshot by using Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E key in the Windows and Command plus Option plus Shift plus E key in Mac. Eyes looks unsharp, so I am going to the filter menu, then goes to other, then select the high pass filter. Change blend mode to overlay. The all image is sharpened now, but it is not required because I am sharpening here only eyes, lips and hair. So create a black mask by hold plus Alt key in the Windows and hold plus Option key in the Mac and click on the mask icon in the layers panel. So black conceals the all changes I made. Now brush over the eyes, eyebrow, hairs and lips. Now eyes looks more attractive and beautiful. If any jewelry in the portrait, you can also sharpen it. I am painting over earrings. It looks amazing. See before and after. Before and after. Now time to come to the final step to remove eye bags or dark circles. Friends, if you want my channel will grow, subscribe my channel and also join channel membership and enjoy free wages, custom emojis, free perks, special gifts, giveaway and more. So join today. Thanks. I am creating new snapshot by using Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E key in Windows and Command plus Option plus Shift plus E key in Mac. Now I am removing dark circles by selecting Patch tool nested below the Spot Healing tool. Use the Patch tool to select the dark area under the eyes in your photo. Once selected, click inside the selected area and drag your mouse outside of the area. When you do this, you will see the area fill in with the patch of the surrounding skin. Try to select the area is lighter than the dark area. It looks more natural, so I am going to Edit menu and then select the fade patch. Move slider to 50%, then OK. It fades 50% of applied modification. Doing again and again till I am not happy. You can do it many times till then desired results. Now come to the right eye, select the eye bags area and drag to the lighter area. And it is filling automatically the patch area. To give a natural effect, I am fading again. You can also fade by using Ctrl plus Shift plus F key in Windows and Command plus Shift plus F key in the Mac. I am also picking the area from the left side of the face if I didn't get on the right side. Take your time to avoid excess editing. You will find skin turned to a little bit in a gray tone where I use patch tool. So create a new transparent layer. Reduce the flow of the brush 100% to 10% and pick the skin color and paint over the dark circle area. Normally when we edit, mostly we do excess. Here I am using a new transparent layer for editing so I can reduce its opacity to look more realistic. I moved opacity to 0 means all modification hide it. So I am move slider to increase intensity. Till then it looks natural with editing I have made. I set opacity to approx 50% and image look fabulous. See before and after. Hope the model will not be mind if she is watching this video. It was shot by Christopher Rose. Beautiful portfolio he has. I have added the link in the description. You can download the image from there. Recap. First we created a duplicate layer. Then create a new transparent layer. Use Spot Healing tool to remove spot and blemishes. Then create a new snapshot. Convert layer to smart object. Applied camera raw filter. Select texture slider to -85. Click OK. Then convert white mask to black mask, brush over the skin only, create a new snapshot, apply the high pass filter, change blending mode to overlay, create a black mask by holding Alt plus Option key, paint over the eyes, eyebrow, lips and earrings, create another snapshot using patch tool to remove black circles and use patch fade option from the edit menu, then create a new transparent layer, pick the skin color and paint over the brush with the flow of 10% on the dark circle area and reduce the opacity to approx 50%. Picture looks amazing and fabulous. That's all for the today. Soon I will come again with the new tutorial. Thanks for watching.